Hello, my lovelies. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Jakara, and I'm back in my bedroom to do a special project that I've been dreaming of doing. I'm so glad I get a chance to do that. This is my bedroom here in southern France, in my apartment here in southern France. So I wanted to create more of the French-like abode, and I'm going to be doing that by creating a canopy, or kind of like I like a canopy over my bed. So if you want to see how I do that, then stay tuned. All right, so the area where I'm going to be putting this canopy is in this blank space here. I was hoping to get another duvet cover like this from IKEA so that I can use that as part of the fabric that will go into the canopy, in addition to the curtains that I have. But I have not been able to get back to IKEA for this. So for right now, it's just going to be the curtains that I have. But I'm going to put that up and I'll show you. It's going to be similar to how I did the canopy for my bed at home. I'll insert a picture here, and you'll see like I have curtains and things draped behind my headboard. And the problem is, well, I shouldn't say the difference is that the bed is going this way now, but at home, in Chicago, my bed it's a queen size bed, so it goes out from the wall, the opposite direction, perpendicular direction. So anyway, whatever. It's supposed to look like a lit de polonaise, and I'll put a picture of that up also, so you can get an idea of what I'm trying to build here. And as you can see, this is the color of the curtains that I'm going to use. It picks up this kind of burgundy color here in the duvet cover. I also have a different duvet cover that I use for the springtime that's lighter, but it also has that deep burgundy red color in it as well. So it just picks up those colors. It's just kind of, grounds the room a little bit, since this pink is really quite kind of ethereal, light, and, airy, but I want to ground the room a little bit more. And like I said, I wanted a duvet to kind of like hang with this curtain over the bed. So hopefully this will work out eventually, but let's just get started. I'm going to use this shelf that it used to be in the living room. I have some brackets that I can hang it up with, and I'm going to attach the curtain to like the edge of, I'm going to staple the edge of the curtain to the shelf and see how that looks. But let me hang up the shelf first. Okay, so I got the shelf up there now, and it's pretty secure because I screwed it to the wall with anchors, and then I screwed the shelf to the bottom, the brackets to the bottom of the shelf. So it's pretty stable up there. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to staple the curtain onto the shelf. Wish me luck. So I got it up there. I think I might add a few more staples at the top just to make sure this thing doesn't fall down. These curtains don't fall down. You can kind of see the vision. In the middle here, I want to, like I said, I wanted it to be like fabric coming down. That's similar to this floral fabric. I actually wanted toile fabric, but the toile is so expensive. The toile that I want anyway. I might add like a curtain, what do you call that? Tie back? I don't know what you call it. I forgot. Or so I can like even out the way this is falling, because it's kind of bothering me that this is so low and this is so high. So maybe something that'll like raise this part up a little bit, just so the swing will be kind of an even swing. But we're getting there. Hopefully I will find some fabric that I can use, or some curtains or something that will work behind here, that will coordinate with my bedding. So that's it for now. See you when I find the curtains. All right, so I couldn't find the curtains that I wanted, like a pattern that I wanted that would match my duvet cover. So I'm gonna just use these white curtains, the white kind of sheer curtains, and put it up here. I already started here in the middle. I'm gonna try to cover up all that in the back, and then I have another curtain rod that I'm gonna put up and hang more curtains. So hopefully this works, you guys. Keep your fingers crossed. All right, so now that I have that one curtain that's covering up the shelf and the main back panel, I have a curtain rod here that I'm going to hang, and then I'll drape a couple more of these curtains over it and let it hang and see if that will do the trick. We'll see. So let me get to doing that. So so I don't want to hang the curtain from this area, which is, you see these grommets. I want to hang it from the bottom downward so that the grommets hide behind the bed. So unfortunately, there's no hem at the bottom. I mean, there is a hem, but it's not wide enough for me to slip the curtain rod through. So I'm going to have to create like a hem like this and then hang it up. Now, I'm kind of torn on whether I should sew a hem, but I don't really have a whole lot of time today, so I might just pin it and then hem it on another day. So we'll see how that works out. Let's see. I think we'll start with pinning it and see how that looks. If it looks terrible, then I'll hem it. All right, so I got it on the hanger pinned on there, so it's pretty secure. So I'm gonna hang it up now. Okay, let's hope this works. All right, so it's up there. I'm pretty happy with how it looks. So I'm just gonna kind of arrange it a little bit, make it look a little bit more pretty, and then I'll show you the final reveal. All right, here it is. All done. I tried to do kind of like layering of the curtains so that it looks more luxurious. And I think white was a good color to go with until I can find the pattern that I want that kind of matches this duvet cover. But let's see if I can give you a good, it's hard to get a good perspective here. Let's see. There we go. That's better. So this is what it looks like. I'm pretty happy with it, considering I was limited in, access to things. So, and it pretty much mimics the vision I have now. I do want to put like a painting in the middle there, but I have yet to paint that painting. I thought about putting that painting over there in the middle, and that may work, but I don't know. I kind of like it plain for now, and then we'll go from there. Anyway, you guys, that's it. That's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate that. It helps with the algorithm, puts my videos out into the atmosphere and draws more people to my channel, so it really does help me. And also, I would love to have you back for our next video. I probably will still have another video here in France, so if you want to see what I'm getting up to, then go ahead and click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you know when I upload my next video. I'm gonna try to get back on track now that my internet is back on track. And yeah, that just put me out of commission for a while. So anyway, I hope to see you in the next video. I hope you have a great day or night wherever you are. And until I see you next time, take care. Bye.